the people of South Africa, and greetings to all the members, the leadership and structures of Africa Maibuye movement. Greetings to all the progressive forces in the African continent, in the African diaspora, and all the progressive forces in the entire world. My name is Nico Floyd Shivambu. I am the president of Africa Maibuye movement, which is a revolutionary emancipation movement fighting for total freedom and emancipation now, with the appreciation that all the previous and existing political formations reduced the struggle for total freedom just to the struggle for attainment of political power, without thoroughgoing total freedom that encapsulates freedom economically, freedom politically, freedom socially, freedom culturally, and freedom in all its manifestations. Today we are here to talk about the immigration question. There's an impending issue, a very important issue that the entirety of the African continent is confronted with, more so in South Africa. There's an impending issue of immigration. So we want to take this